With the Future Vision course, it kind of gives you a mindset shift doing the affirmations in the morning that really benefited my marriage when my marriage was struggling. And I was reading those cards every morning and started to apply it and embody it. And my marriage has been like thriving ever since. I had a great time with Future Vision and I would definitely do it again. And the biggest thing for me was this was the way you approach this with your seminar with Future Vision built trust with me. And I know with others, it would build trust as well. You're given a deal because a lot of people won't give that kind of a price. They'll usually, like I know the people that I took the course with, to see them one-on-one or to do like a seminar with them is like $12,000. So what you're given is an affordable price and wonderful opportunity to start your growth and start the process and then continue the mentorship if it works for you and rebuild yourself from within. Former Marines or anyone that's served in the forces, anyone who's served in emergency or has had a high stress job, like having to work these crazy hours, and they go to a job every day they don't like. They're just basically going to work to exist, not even to enjoy or fulfill life. Someone who basically, if they are educated, they want something different than what they've experiencing. So offering more opportunities would be beneficial for someone in this course.